Hello guys, how are you all doing today? This is Lokiato, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get numbers. I mean real valid numbers. I'm not talking about all these VoIP numbers, you understand? I'm going to teach you guys how to get real numbers for your ClickBank account creation or any other sites that you need real numbers to verify. Okay, so any country number, be it European country, American countries, or all these other countries, Asian countries account that you want to create, in this tutorial you will learn how to get these numbers. And not just only how to get these numbers, I will teach you guys the trick of how to use these numbers for free without paying a dime for these numbers. Okay, so if this is something that you're interested in, make sure you watch this video to the end, because at the end I'll be showing you guys how to use these numbers for free. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, guys, consider subscribing to my channel. Please subscribe to this channel so we will grow together. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like, make sure you share it with others so that others can also learn. Okay, if you have any question, don't forget to drop it in the description below or in the comment section below. I'll make sure that I reply. I try my best to reply you guys. Okay, so let's get straight to it. Okay guys, so I'm on my phone right now and I'm about to show you guys those websites that I get my numbers for. Okay, numbers that I use to verify my affiliate sites, be it ClickBank, be it Digistore, or be it Warrior Plus, JVZoo, JC Store, you know, all these websites. You can use this number to verify them. Even CPA websites, guys, even CPA websites. So I have three that I use basically. One are for those in Nigeria that don't want to pay or that can't get crypto to pay, can use this particular one, and the others are website that anybody in the world can use. Okay, but you need cryptocurrency to pay, either Bitcoin or USDT. You can use that to top up these accounts. All right, so let's head straight into it. Make sure you stick with me in this video. So all I need to do is to hop on my Chrome browser. Okay, so this is my Chrome browser now. The first website that I use is Tony IX SMS. You can see it's Tony IX SMS. So this one basically for Nigerian audience. I don't know if they accept people from other parts of Africa, from other country in Africa. I really don't know. These sites, I'm not affiliated with these sites. Okay, I'm not recommending them because I'm affiliated to them, or maybe I get any benefits by recommending them to you guys. No, I'm only recommending them to you guys because it's what I use and they work for me. Okay, so now those in Nigeria can go ahead and sign up with this site. Okay, you can see it there on my on my browser bar. You can see it there, TonyIXSMS.com. So once you're on this site, all you need to do is to sign up. Right, all right, so once you sign up, you can be able to top up. So I already have an account, so I'll go ahead and log in. All right, so let me just log in there, and it will autofill and it logs me in. So as you can see already, I have a balance on this site. Okay, if you're new to this site, you just signed up, you need to, you know, go to your profile image there, profile icon there, click on it. You're going to see buy number, you're going to see profile, but even at your dashboard here, you can see fund wallets. All right, so you can see your visual wallet. This is your visual wallet. You click on my visual account, and the minimum that you can pay into this website is 100. So they give you a PAMPay. You can see its account number, bank number, PAMPay. Then the account name is Tony Services. Okay, Tony Services ma or something, payment points. Okay, so once you top up your account balance, okay, whatever you want to top up with, you can do 1,000, you can do 2k, you can do 3k or 5k, whichever you want to top up with. So now once you've top up your account, so all you need to do is to click on this button, these three button over there, So once you do that, you go to all country. Okay, if you want only USA numbers, you click on USA, then you click on the service that you want, whichever service that you want. Okay, but if you want let's say you want all countries, okay, so let's say for instance France. Okay, I want a country from France, so all I need to do is to click on, I'll just type France here. All right, you can see it, France has popped up. So I'll select a service called is it Viber? Let me see if they have, yeah, Viber. I'll just click on Viber. All right, so you can see they say the price of Viber is 2,448 naira. So I'll click on buy. So once I click on buy, you see this is the number here. So all I need to do is to just, so this is the number, you can see it over here. So all I need to do is to click on these copy dots there. I copy the number. So if I'm using it to verify ClickBank, I don't really need this number to get code from ClickBank, because ClickBank does not do SMS verification. Okay, so once I get this number, I'll go and paste it on my notepad, then I'll click on cancel over here. I'll just click on delete. All right, and my money will be refunded into my account. So let me refresh it again. So I'll just refresh it, and you see my money has been refunded, but already I have gotten a number that I can use. Okay, you can see it here. Okay, you can see my money has been refunded. But if it's a service that you need a code, all right, that you will need a verification, actual verification code, then you have to pay for it. All right, you definitely have to pay for it, because without receiving the code you can't verify that website. So the same thing applies to, let's say, Germany. You can see Germany over here, then select services. I like this. You can do Discord, you can do LinkedIn, anything. Okay, so let's say Discord. All right, you can see Discord is just 126 naira. You can see it. Once you click on buy number, you see the number pops up, a Germany number pops up for you. So once you copy the number, you click on cancel, click on delete, and your fund will be refunded to you immediately. You can see it here, it has been refunded. All right, so any country of your choice at all. If it's for creating ClickBank account, this is what you can do. If it's for Digistore or any other affiliate network that don't need verification, this is what you this is how you can get this. These are real numbers, okay, not all those numbers that you get from fake name generators. All right, so the next thing you need to do now, we are going to head over to another website called SMS PVA. Okay, .com, smspva.com. So now once you're on these sites, you will need to make a deposit. Okay, you can see here, once you click, you need to sign up. Rather, if you're new, you'll sign up an account. Definitely once you sign up an account, then you make a deposit. You can see once you click on your username here, you can see a deposit, top up balance. You click on top up balance, then they will ask you, how do you want to top up your balance? Is it through Bitcoin or through cryptocurrency? There is different types of coin here. You see, you have LTC, Litecoin, you have Ethereum, you have USDT, TRC20, you have Dash, Doge, you have XRP, TRX, and all other coin that you can top up over here. Okay, credit card, Nigeria. Okay, you see, even for Nigeria, card payments only Nigeria. You see, oh, that is good. So they have included Nigeria. You can use your card to pay from Nigeria, guys. You see it, you can use your card to pay from Nigeria. So once you are done, then you go back. You can go back once you've topped up, maybe let's say $5 or $3 or whatever you've topped up. Then now what you need to do is to click on any of these this thing. Let's say we are clicking on let me say Facebook. All right, so let's say we want to go with France, so we'll select France over here, then we'll click on, okay, you see there are different services that you can buy from. You can buy from these, Leica Mobile, Libera 2, whichever. So you click on, let's say, buy from this, and you can see the number has popped up. Okay, you can see the number over here, you can see the number. over here. Okay, so you see, all you just need to do is to copy the number and go and keep. So once you've copied the number, the next thing you can just do is to click on this band. So once you click on this band, they are not going to charge you. So you can do this for any other country that you want. Okay, you either select France, or you can select the United Kingdom, or you can select the United States, Canada, okay, Italy, Spain, you see it here, Bangladesh, Belgium, Bolivia, okay, any country of your choice that is available here. So you can select it, and you know, let's say Lithuania, I don't know if I pronounced it well, I'm sorry. Okay, so I'll click on it. Oh, this is Macedonia, Lithuania. Let's see on Lithuania. Okay, click on buy. Can you see it? Can you see it? So once you copy it, and you can do what? You can click on ban, and your money won't be deducted. But guys, if it's other services that need an actual code, then definitely you need to pay for it. All right, now take notes, these are one-time use numbers. Okay, these are one-time use numbers. I have a website where I can get USA number for a month where they pay $5, but I don't give that websites. I don't, you know, these are stuffs that I keep for my premium students. Okay, so maybe for those who need services that they want to be, you know, have access to the number to be paying monthly, actually it's just $5, and this is a very clean number. All right, I have 2 other sites like that you can rent out these numbers from them for $5 a month, guys. $5 a month. You can use it to, you know, verify services of your choice, different services of your choice. All right, so basically another site that I also use is called SMS codes. Okay, yes, SMS code. You can see it here. smscodes.io. you still need to, you know, once you log in, you sign up, you log in, you still need to, but my balance has been exhausted here, so I won't be able to generate any number to show you guys. SMS verification, you click on get code, you click on the service that you want, let's say Viber, then country, you type in your country, whichever country you want. Let's say, okay, Viber, you click on find service. All right, click on find service, then they'll tell you to choose a country. You can choose on let me see if this country will be available here. This tax-free company. Okay, Oman is actually a tax-free country, but you see your balance is low, so you won't be able to get any number for this country because your balance is actually low here. Okay, so guys, that will be it for the end of this. That will be the end of this tutorial. Okay, I hope this video have helped you to know how you can get numbers, real numbers, to verify to use it for your account creation, either for ClickBank, either for Digistore, either for any other platform at all. Okay, with these numbers you'll be able to create your ClickBank account or any other website, but you still have to have it at the back of your mind that these numbers are one-time use numbers. Like for services that requires code, once you use the number and you get that code, and maybe anything happened to your account, or you lose your account, or you lose access to your account, they asking for code again, just know that you won't be able to have access to that number again because it's a one-time use number. All right, so for those that might want to have services, okay, that they need monthly access to the number, that can be paying monthly to the number, okay, that one is reserved for that information is reserved for my inner circle students, my inner circle gang. Okay, so if you want to be if you feel that you want to be involved, you want to join the inner circle gang, you can reach out to me, and you subscribe to it and you will be added in the group. Actually, it's a group where I drop premium updates. On that group, different promotional method to promote your affiliate product, your digital product, different method, and collaborations, you know,
you have a community of like-minded people and all that. So that is the aim of that particular group. So if you're interested, hit me up and subscribe and get into it and get among and get in. Okay, so guys, that will be it, and I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you like this video, do not forget to smash the like button and share my video so that others will benefit from this tutorial. And again, don't forget, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Okay, I'll look through them and I try my best to reply to you guys. Okay, so we have come to the end of this tutorial. Lucky Ato here. Bye. Love you guys. Bye.